Today we're going to look at how to master some styles in Microsoft Word. Specifically for this particular tutorial, we're going to look at applying heading styles using the format painter and providing spacing between your lines, your sentences, and turning on the paragraph marks. That's the first thing I'll recommend you do, is turn on the paragraph marks, so you can easily see where everything begins and ends. And another thing I'm going to suggest you do is go to View, turn on your navigation pane, because when you create a heading, it's going to put it over here. It's going to kind of give you a tree so you can quickly get to different parts of your document. Now I have a document here, has no styles at all. And so we want to apply some heading styles. So let's go with a heading 1 here. And you do this by going up here, and you can see what it looks like just by hovering over it. But let's say you don't like that particular style, you want it to be something different. Well, you can go in and modify this particular style. And let's say I want to use a Garmin for my heading, and we're going to make it, say, 20 points. And you can get a preview right here. Now we can add this to the style gallery, and for this document only, or we can put it on all new documents if you want all your new documents to be based on this new template. That means every time you click heading 1 on future documents, this is what you're going to get for your heading 1. I don't want that. I just want for this document only. So while we're working on this document, that's the style we get. So let's go ahead and click OK. So now we have our heading 1. And we're going to make a heading 2. We'll drop down here and go to heading 2. And you'll notice I really don't have much there because it's not really styled, so I'm going to modify that one too. And heading 2, we're going to just go ahead and keep it as calibrated, but we want to bold it. And we're going to make it 18. And again, I'm going to leave this just for this document. It's going to add to the style gallery. So now if I remove that, I can remove that just by going to normal. And if I go to heading 2 again, there you go. We have the new style. Now another thing I can do is I can highlight this. I can click the paintbrush here, and then I could come highlight that, and now we have heading 2 also applied to that particular style. Now let's look at here. I don't like the way my paragraphs are just kind of run together like that. So what I want to do is I want to select my entire paragraph, or all my paragraphs I should say, everything below this. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to my paragraph box, and I'm going to go add space after paragraph. This gives me some space to work on here. So you'll notice one paragraph's going to be like that, but individual paragraphs are going to have a little extra space. So we're going to go ahead and for conclusion, we're going to put heading 2. And conservation challenges, we're going to do heading 2. Ecological importance, we'll do heading 2. Amphibians, we'll do heading 2. Birds, we'll do heading 2. And you'll notice over here is creating you basically a table of contents. And the wildlife, we'll do a heading 2. And this one here we'll do a heading 2 as well. Now I want to, these different ones with the colon mark after, I want to bold them all. We're going to leave this on the normal font. That's what we have right now is normal. That means no style. And I'm going to bold this one. Then I'm going to go click my paintbrush. And then I'm going to go over that. But you'll notice I didn't, when I went to this one, you'll notice that when I went to this one, it did not give me that opportunity to do it again. So if I want to use it for more than one thing, I'm going to highlight it, I'm going to double click that paintbrush. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to highlight that. And you'll notice I still have my little paintbrush symbol there. And if I can go here, I can click that. And I want to click this one. And I'm going to click this one. And this one. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one. And then to get out of that, I'm just going to hit the escape button. And that's it. That's how you get out of it. So now, you see, I want to put a heading 2 there as well. So that shows you how to turn on the paragraph marks, how to create a heading, different headings, how to use them for this particular document. Once you start a new document, you go back to all your defaults. Now, you can save this for future documents. And that's really all there is to it, to this part. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. You'll really help this channel. And you have a good day.